Hi guys, today we're making a simple piece of code. It's very simple and it can make bigger and harder codes with this small simple code. So, first let's begin. So, we're gonna write this code in Google Colab as it's called Google Colaboratory. And then you will open new notebook, okay? Then press on new notebook. When you press on new notebook, you will find this page and then rename this as random. If you don't want to rename it, don't rename it, it's not important. So, our topic is about random. This piece of code is about random. So random means the computer will choose from anything you wrote and it will choose from it. Like first, let's begin. Make sure you write this first line. Import random. So then you're gonna make a variable called fruits. What is a variable first? A variable is which we store in it a value or our data. So we're gonna write fruits here and then make an equal, and here we will write any type of fruits as like mango or anything. So I'm gonna write mango, and here I'm gonna write an apple, and here I'm gonna write, how about some pineapple, and the last thing is you can write more than the last thing I'm gonna do, like millions. I'm gonna write, let me go with orange. So now we will write here print and then make brackets and then type random in the brackets dot choice. This is all in the brackets. Now we're gonna make other brackets in the brackets, and we're gonna make the and we're gonna type in the brackets that is it in the brackets our variable fruits. Now that is finished. The code is finally finished. So it's easy, as you know. Of course you can make this, and make sure to write it in a paper or in the Python, or I meant the Google Colaboratory. So it took orange and a pineapple, another pineapple, and a third pineapple. Why there's lots of pineapples here? An orange, pineapple, orange, only orange and pineapple. There we go, mango. Apple, please. I'm just showing you this. Oh, alright. If you choose apple, where is the apple? There we go, finally, apple. So, you can also choose numbers. So, how about here, make 5, here, make another, and here is a 6. Here, how about 9, and a 7. Okay, you can also rename the variable as anything. And here is this working. The variable can be renamed as anything, any word, but not numbers or slashes and those things. Okay, so yes, it can be any word, like any junk even word that has not existed, and the code is still okay. See, still going. You can rename your variable as anything. Okay, I hope you liked the video. This is the end. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.